going to talk about courses. And I want to show you a course builder that I saw in Canva. And I don't think many people are talking about it. When I looked it up on YouTube, I didn't see many videos, one or two here. But I just found this out, so I'm only going to show you really quickly here. And then if we need to go into a deeper dive, from the dashboard, you go into more. There's a couple ways to get there, but I'm just going to show you this way. You go into more. And then you'll see the first one. It says popular and it says course. And I believe you can click more here. Well, it should show up right here, but we're going to go ahead and click course. And then here you have it. This is your course portal here. And here's where you can name your course. Name your course. And then right here is where you can add a description of your course. And here's where you add activities to your courses or what we call lessons. And so you can have just these lesson one, lesson two, and then you can keep adding lessons once you have done that. So it's pretty cool here. You can assign a course, and that is how you add people. Now, this is the more manual way, right? And so this is a free way to do a course. However, you do have to add people manually. So if someone pays you for the course or you're doing a free course, you'll need to assign the course and you can add their email or you can create a group and you can create a group and then add the whole group to a course, right? So either way, you can add existing people or groups to the course, okay? Um, Here's how you can add new, you can add upload files, you can upload folders, you can import from other apps like from your Google Drive or from your OneDrive there. You can just create a new design, right? And just add a design in here. Let's look at the lessons here. And it says that it's the same thing, right? Add new, create, upload files. And so basically, you're going to either create a new design, choose a design, upload a file, upload a folder, or import from a new app. So once you do that, then you'll start to build your course layout here. And then once you have your layout and you've added people, you can tell where they are in the course or their progress, their activity in the course, and their activity will be right there. That's where it will report right there. So this is pretty cool. It's a good way that if you already have Canva, you can add courses to Canva and then you don't have to, worry about any. It's something to get you started, right? If you don't have another way to do courses. So that's it. Let me know what questions that you have. And just remember, I want you to be seen, be heard, and get paid with AI. To press subscribe and like this video.